Good morning. Our 10th experiment is application of graphs. Shortest path, finding shortest path is one of the application of graph. Here we are going to find shortest path by using all pass shortest path algorithm method. Okay. For that, first you open the terminal window. Open the text editor window and type the program. Text editor window will open by using the command gedit. Here I use allpass.c as a program name. Type the program. After that, save it and close it. Okay, compile the program by using the command gcc -o. Then allpass is executable file name. Then program name allpass.c. Suppose if you have any errors means go to the text editor window. After that, save and close. Then once again you compile the program. For running the program, use the command /allpass enter. Okay, so let's see how the all-pass shortest algorithm is working. So this is my output. Let's see how it works. Okay, in my program I give the input as here. I give the adjacency matrix form as an input here. I give it in a 4x4 matrix form. Okay, 0 2 0 1. So this is my input. Okay, I explain it in a separate form. Okay, see here I have one matrix here 0 2 0 1. It indicates the cost of the edges, okay, or the weight of the edges. Here I have 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Okay, so from A I have 2 adjacency vertices B and C. Okay, B and C are the 2 adjacent vertices of A, B having a weight 2 and C having a weight 1. In the same way, B's adjacent vertices are D and it's having weight 2. Then C is having adjacent vertices 3 and A and B. Adjacent vertices are A and B. A having a weight 3 and B's weight is 2. Okay. Then last one D is adjacent to C and its weight is 1. Okay. I represent it in a graph form. Okay. So first one is A's adjacent are B and C. Okay. So B's weight is 2 and C's weight is 1 and B's adjacent is D, its weight is 2. I represent it in a graph form. Then C's adjacent are A and B. So A's weight is 3 and B's weight is 2. Then D's adjacent is C, it's having weight 1. Now our output is this one. Okay, this is called all-pass shortest path algorithm. So all-pass shortest path algorithm means we can calculate, we can find the shortest distance from each vertex. For example, suppose if you take A means from A to B, you have A to B, the distance is how much, and A to C, the distance, A to D, the shortest distance is how much. Likewise, we calculate by using all-pass shortest path algorithm. In the same way, let us take the node B. Okay, from B you have to find the shortest distance. From B to A, the shortest distance is how much. From B to C, the shortest distance is what, and from B to D, the shortest distance is what. Then take the node C. in node C, from node C also you have to calculate the shortest distance from C to A, C to B and C to D. In the same way, find the shortest distance from D also. From D to A, D to B and D to C, the shortest distance is what? Okay, so this is called the all-pass shortest path algorithm. So in our example, first you find the all-pass shortest path algorithm. Start at A. Okay, so from A to B, the shortest distance is 2. Okay, so other than no other choice for shortest distance from A to B. Okay, the next one from shortest distance from A to C is here I have the direct path having, there is no direct path. Okay, so we can move to C by using A to B, B to D, D to C. Otherwise we can move from A to D, then D to C. Okay, the first path having distance 5, the second one having the distance 2. Okay, so the shortest distance is 2. The next one A to D. In A to D, the direct path is very lowest compared to others, so take one as a shortest distance. Next you start the vertex from B. From B to A, the shortest distance is, we have only one path. Okay, A to D, D to C, C to A. So the total cost is here sub 5. No, 6. Okay, total cost is 6 here. Then next B to C. So here here also we have only one path. So the shortest distance is 3 here. Then next one B to D. So in B to D we have a direct path. Okay, the shortest distance is 2. Then next start from vertex C. Okay, then C to A, the shortest distance is, we have only one path, so the distance is 3 here. Then C to B, C to B also we have, here we have two paths. The first one is direct path, its distance is 2. The second one is C to A and A to B. Here the cost is 5. So take the direct path as the shortest distance. The next one C to D. Okay, C to D, here we have two paths. First one is C to A to B, B to D. Here the cost is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 7. Okay, so next one is C to A to D. Here we have 4 only. So take the shortest distance path is 4. Then start from vertex D. Okay, then find the shortest distance from D to A. So D to A, here we have only one path, D to C, then C to A. So the distance is 4 here. Then D to B. Okay, D to B, here we have two paths. We can move from D to C, C to A to D. Here the cost is 4 plus 2, 6. Otherwise you can move D to C, C to B. Here we have the cost 3. Okay, so take 3 as a shortest distance. Then next one D to C. Okay, so D to C we have a direct path 1. Okay, then next one, so this is our shortest path from all vertices. Okay, so this is our answer also, but in our answer we have use one constant in diagonals. Okay, so each node starting vertex is, each node starting value is 0. Okay, so for that we are using a concept 5 in our output. So this is the all pass shortest path algorithm, and it's the application of graph also. Thank you.